Mystery in a quiet town. 1. A loud noise echoed through the streets at midnight. 2. Strange lights appeared in the sky every evening. 3. Mysterious footprints were found near the old library. 4. Residents reported missing items from their homes each week. Meet the characters of our mystery. In this quiet town, we have a few key figures. There is Sarah, the curious librarian. Then, we have Tom, the skeptical journalist. Finally, there's Mr. Green, the mysterious old man. Each character holds a piece of the puzzle that will unfold as the story progresses. The first clue. In the quiet town of Maplewood, a mysterious object was discovered in the park. It was a small, shiny key, hidden beneath the leaves. The key had strange symbols carved into its surface. No one knew where it came from or what it unlocked. People whispered about it, and many felt a shiver of excitement. Was it a clue to an old mystery or something more? The townspeople gathered to discuss the strange find, eager to uncover its secrets and worried about what it might mean for their peaceful lives. Rumors of the strange event in town. Some say they saw shadows moving at night. Others believe a ghost is haunting the old library. A few think the strange lights are from aliens. Many wonder if the town's history holds dark secrets. Mysterious happenings in quiet town. What strange events have disturbed this peaceful community? Let's explore the possible theories behind the mystery. Theory 1. The old house. People say the old house on the hill is haunted. Weird noises and shadows are often seen at night. Theory 2. The lost treasure. Some believe that a treasure is hidden in the town. Could it be that someone is searching for it? Theory 3. The strange lights. Residents have reported strange lights in the sky. Are they UFOs, or is there another explanation? The investigation unfolds. Gathering clues. The characters start to search for clues in the quiet town. They find strange footprints near the old library. These clues help them feel that something unusual is happening. Talking to locals. They interview residents to learn about any strange events. Some neighbors report seeing shadows at night. Others mention a loud noise coming from the forest. Exploring the forest. The group decides to explore the dark forest nearby. They hear whispers and rustling leaves, making them feel uneasy. They find an old, abandoned house hidden among the trees. Solving the mystery. After gathering all the clues, they connect the dots. The mystery of the shadows leads them to an unexpected discovery. The truth is more shocking than they imagined. The hidden house. In the quiet town of Maplewood, there is a hidden house at the end of a narrow path. The locals say it is haunted. Overgrown vines cover the windows, and the door creaks eerily in the wind. Many people have tried to explore, but strange sounds always scare them away. As dusk falls, the house seems to come alive, whispering secrets of the past to anyone brave enough to listen. What mysteries lie within its walls? Comparing the secrets of two mysterious characters. This diagram shows how two characters are connected and what makes them unique. Character 1. Quiet and observant, has a hidden past. Character 2. Outgoing and friendly, knows everyone in town. Both involved in the strange event, keep secrets. These images show the town's fear, community meetings, and the mysterious figure that sparked the investigation. The tension builds to a climax. Here are clues and suspects for the mystery. Clues the town discovered about the event. A strange noise at night. Suspects in the mysterious case. The quiet librarian with secrets. The town's dark secret. The mystery was finally solved. The townspeople discovered that the strange noises came from an old, abandoned house. Inside, they found secret letters and an ancient map. The letters told of a hidden treasure buried long ago. Although the treasure was never found, the town felt different, more connected. The eerie atmosphere lingered, but now, there was hope. Everyone learned the importance of unity. They decided to restore the old house, turning it into a community center, a place for stories and memories to be shared. Subscribe to English O Canada for more videos and stories like this.